Door's cut.
Oh, nice. Very cool. Good job, David.
Pretty awesome, huh?
Yeah. That's cool.
Oh. Here we are. It's not too bad. It's pretty cozy in here, isn't it?
Yeah, I like it.
Yep. Just got to peel
It's
some
very
more
clean.
plastic off, and rear panel and front panel are going on next, and you're going to help, right?
Yep.
Okay, cool.
Are we doing that tonight?
I don't know.
Okay, well, keep me posted.
I will. All right, it's a new day, and another confirmation of how much of an idiot I am. I cut this back panel in the wrong spot. I kerf cut it here instead of here, and I did that because I measured to the kerfs from here instead of from the actual bottom of the panel like a moron. So anyway, I did cut through the conduit across the whole panel, but Nicole and I did a little test with the vacuum and the string, and it seems that I can still fish wire through it, so I think we'll be okay. I think I'll just run another piece of skin or something, maybe nothing on the inside, because I would actually like to carpet the back wall and actually hide all this stuff anyway. So
Not gonna use carpet.
she doesn't want to use carpet. Leave a comment if you think we should put carpet on the back wall or not. Anyway, we're going to test fit this wall. Okay, so Oh. All right, guys, back wall is on. Check it out. Went on pretty easy, except for my screw up with the kerf cuts. Everything went pretty good. They look terrible in my opinion, and I really want to cover them with carpet, but Nicole doesn't want carpet, so we're gonna have to compromise and see what we're gonna do. But that's what that looks like with double kerfs in it. And you can see up here, I got all my rivets. And let me tell you something, all the rivets under here were a pain in the butt, because you gotta contort yourself to get under there to get to them all. And I'm old and weak, so I get tired easy, so that was a pain. Anyway, oh, there's a little shot down the inside the pantry. I actually filled those kerfs up in this one. I did not do anything in that one because I don't know how far over the conduit comes, so I'm just going to leave it. I don't want to fill the conduit up with terracing. So anyway, that is going to be a wrap for this weekend. I am out of terracing. I ordered more. I ordered 6 more tubes, and they're on back order. So they should be shipping today, I think, which I think today's the 3rd, so they should be shipping today, so I should get them middle of next week. So hopefully we can cut that big panel over there and get that sucker glued onto the front next weekend. I do want to put a couple more angles on here, so I'm going to drill holes all through that for rivets. I've got rivets on either side. and then this whole thing across here. I don't have anything at the top or anywhere along these curves right here. So I think I'm going to make some shorties to go up towards the top of the panel up there, somewhere along in here. Maybe kind of curve one around a little bit and put one on either side there. I'm thinking about doing one on this side of this divider too, just for more rivets. I'm almost through my 13th box of 1,300 rivets in, so I may have to order one more box. I've only got one box of 100 left, so I don't know if that's going to do it or not. We'll see. So yeah, things are progressing, and so then I got to clean up this pigsty of a table. I did a bunch of foam cutting for a chair, and I haven't cleaned that mess up yet, and I actually got to go buy another rubber mat to make the other half of the floor because I mismeasured or something, and so I got to go buy another one to make that into one piece. So that's not a big deal. They're like 40 bucks at D&B Supply. So and then I got to get angle for along that edge and that edge, which I can get. I think I'll have to go to a metal supply. They only do 72-inch at Ace Hardware, and this is about 70 inside to inside, so I can do that the shelf corner with the box door, but I'll have to go to a specialty metal to get the one for the edge of the pantry to finish that off, but that's not a big deal. So, and I need to go get more of that anyway because I gotta still make a form and do my fender wells, but I think I showed you that already, but there's a 1/2-inch lip. I think I'm gonna go a little bit more than that and I tapered it on that end. I'm not sure if I'm doing that either, but I think I'm gonna go like a 5/8 lip on that. I think that'll look a little bit better on the fender wells. And then of course, my buddy George commented in the last video, and I agree with him. I think doing no rivets on the corner angle for the outside edge of this will be a lot better than putting rivets in it, because that'll be a lot cleaner look. So you're right, George. So I think I'm going to do it that way. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you soon.